Tejas Mk2's 8 BVRAAM's capacity will give IAF an edge in air defense. India's homegrown Tejas Mk2 fighter jet is set to revolutionize the Indian Air Force's IAF air defense capabilities. And it's all thanks to its impressive beyond visual range air-to-air missile BVRAAM capacity. This agile fighter can carry a whopping 8 BVRAAMs simultaneously, making it a true game changer in modern aerial combat. The Tejas Mk2's ability to carry 8 BVRAAMs is unmatched by any other single-engine fighter in its class. Even the IAF's upgraded Mirage 2005, a formidable aircraft in its own right, can only carry 6 MICA missiles. This means the Tejas Mk2 boasts a significant advantage in firepower, allowing it to engage and neutralize multiple enemy aircraft before they even come within visual range. This increased missile capacity translates to a force multiplier for the IAF. With the Tejas Mk2, the IAF can effectively patrol and defend a larger airspace with fewer aircraft. This is a significant advantage in a region where air superiority is paramount. The Tejas Mk2 is particularly well suited for quick reaction alert (QRA) missions. These missions require fighter jets to be scrambled quickly to intercept and neutralize potential threats. With its 8 BVRAAMs, the Tejas Mki can respond to these threats with overwhelming firepower, ensuring the safety and security of Indian airspace. The Tejas Mk2's versatility extends beyond its impressive BVRAAM capacity. The aircraft features 11 hardpoints, including 2 dual pylons that can carry 4 missiles each. This allows for a variety of weapon configurations, making the Tejas Mk2 adaptable to different mission requirements. The development of the Tejas Mk2 is a testament to India's growing prowess in aerospace engineering and its commitment to self-reliance in defense technology. The aircraft's advanced capabilities, including its BVRAAM capacity, demonstrate India's ability to produce world-class fighter jets.